I was really curious to try this brand because I saw it everywhere, and then everybody was like,
oh, it matches my shade so well by taking the test.
Okay, thoughts about the foundation. So yes, I actually did take the test, like the color matching test for the foundation, and it actually recommended me a darker color than what I bought. It actually recommended me 120 and I bought 110, and it was still a little too dark for my skin, as you can see. But it oxidized, and I feel like it oxidized nicely on my skin. I still feel like it's a tad bit too dark. Like, this is definitely my summer shade, but when I put concealer and I just like finish the whole look, it doesn't look bad. Like, it doesn't look too dark. It doesn't look like as dark, like I'm so super tan. It gives me like a nice tan look. Is it matched with my actual skin right now? No, it's not. Will it match my skin when I have a lot of sun? Yes, I think it would. The coverage, I would say I'm a full coverage girl. Like, I love full coverage, and I would say this is not full coverage because I had a lot of blemishes still peeking through. I had a lot of my acne scars still peeking. Even when I layered it another time, it still didn't give me that like full coverage that I usually really like. And I'm comparing that to the Fenty foundation, which I use like all the time. That's a full coverage foundation for me. And comparing it to that, it's not as full. And they're about the same price too, so I would rather go with the Fenty if I'm looking for that full coverage. It is really lightweight, so I do feel like there was not like I feel like nothing on me. Like, my face feels really nice, which that's hard for a foundation to do, so I will give it that. It feels really nice. It blends well with my skin. It just didn't give me the coverage that I wanted, and the color matching process was a little disappointing. But overall, I do like this foundation. I think it does the job. I don't know if I would repurchase, maybe to try the actual color and see if that works out for me. Yes, maybe that, but I don't think I would repurchase anytime soon. I would go for something that works for me, which I know the Fenty foundation works for me. So yeah. Thoughts on the lipstick. It was a lot lighter than I thought it was gonna be. It was like way more pink than I thought it was gonna be. So that was a little disappointing, and I'm just not a lipstick kind of person anyway, which is okay. I'm more of a lip gloss person, which this lip gloss blew me out of the water. I love this lip gloss. Like, it smells so good and it's so pretty. It gives you that like pinky nude color, like your lips, but better and like more plump and like juicy kind of look. So yeah, I really do like this. I haven't tried the eyeliner yet, but I did swatch it on my hand, and I feel like I should have got the waterproof one because I easily put it under the water and it just like washed off. And for me, I have really watery eyes, so the eyeliner is probably not gonna work with me too well. I'll probably just use it because I bought it and it was like 20 bucks, but I don't think it's pretty worth it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review of IL MAKIAGE. I was really curious to try this brand because I saw it everywhere, and then everybody was like, oh, it matches my shade so well by taking the test, which I was a little disappointed. But I mean, I didn't use my real money on it. I won the giveaway for $100 towards the store, so I'm glad I got to just try it out. I'm super thankful to IL MAKIAGE and Kathleen Lights for hosting that giveaway so I can just try a few things out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys liked my review. Yeah, I'll see you guys next.